Hello everyone, how's it going? Today we'll learn how to install Prometheus on the Ubuntu machine. So let me spin up my Git bash first. I'll be using a Vagrant box and it's already on my system. So if you have Ubuntu machine, you can do this, and if you don't have, you can just uh, download box from Vagrant and do this. So let me just say Vagrant Hub. I already have my Vagrant file inside. So say Vagrant Hub. It's going to take some time before it comes up. And while it's coming up, let's go to google.com. I want to say how to install Prometheus on Ubuntu. Right, on Ubuntu. And let's see this. Let's come here to Prometheus website itself. And you are going to see different things. And let's click from source. And it's telling us we are going to use make file targets, but we are not going to use any of these, right? What we are going to do is we are going to use the package manager for Ubuntu to do it, which will make our life easier. And we are not using Docker, so it's just vanilla um, Prometheus that we are installing. So let's SSH into this. So we're inside the box. If you see it here, Vagrant at Ubuntu 22.04. So let's clear the screen. And excuse me. First thing we want to do is update the machine. This will take some time as well. Great. So the update is done. That's because I've already updated mine. Yours may take a little while. And now we want to use apt to install Prometheus, right? So let's just use sudo apt install, which is the package manager. Let's use it to install Prometheus. And let's say yes. And for easy sake, so everybody can follow, so let's go to google.com. Second, can go to right, start Prometheus on Ubuntu. So let's see how we'll start Prometheus on Ubuntu. We just want to start the server. Already, let's see the best way from Prometheus itself. So steps, right. See, starting Prometheus. Let's check this again. See how we can start it. Okay. So the first thing to be able to start it is this. First, we have to reload Prometheus. Let's start from here, right? So let's see. Right, so copy from here, just paste it here. Oh, okay. Yeah, system reload. Right, and let's follow this. Copy it, and now want to enable Prometheus. Not copied it well. Let's enable it. Okay, let me just type it. Sudo system ctl enable Prometheus. Yes. Right, so it's enabling it. Let me clear the screen. Then let me say system ctl status Prometheus. Let's see this. So Prometheus is running, and Prometheus is going to be running on port 1990, right? It's already running. So let's say sudo ufw allow 1990, because that's where Prometheus is running. So we'll be able to view it. And now let's go to our virtual box. Go to your virtual box, open it, because that's what Vagrant is using. And this one, go to settings and go to network, come to port forwarding, and let's come here and say 127.0.0.1, and we are going to 1990, and right here we're saying 1990. Okay, right. And now if we go to our local host, let's just say 127 point this, and go to 1990, and now we have our Prometheus. Prometheus has been successfully installed on our machine, right? And if we go here, if we go to target, and it's already getting our metrics. In fact, it's getting the metrics using node exporter. So let's see where it is getting this from. Let's look for our Prometheus YML, right? So it should be in cd etc Prometheus. And if we do ls, now let's cut Prometheus YML. And if you see here, it's already scraping metrics from this is job name Prometheus, which is local 1990, and it's using node exporter, right? This is Prometheus node exporter, which has been installed to scrape the metrics from our host, which is the Ubuntu. So if we want to see that, we can, if we want to see the metrics, see rules, time and build, like this. Service discovery. This is our node. All right, so this is the labels, which are the metrics that is getting from our this thing from the host. So that's how you install Prometheus on Ubuntu.